Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little tips and tricks. When the October 2018 update will roll out, you will get a possibility to have the File Explorer Dark Theme enabled. And how do you enable this? It's very simple. You go to your settings. Here you'll go into personalization. There, click colors on the left side. And finally, at the bottom, you will see something called choose your default app mode, dark or light. Example, I put light. Look at that, this is now white. And even the File Explorer is back at white. If I go back and I put it in dark, here we go. Dark theme is enabled here, and the File Explorer is in the dark mode also. So that's how it works. It's as easy as that to actually enable the dark theme in the File Explorer, and of course across many apps in the system and many areas of the Windows operating system. Once again, all you have to do is simply go to your notifications area, go into settings, you go into personalization, colors, and then you just enable dark in the app mode. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos.